So when you open your first presentation, you get something like this. You can choose the theme, you can change the theme by clicking over here. Click on the themes. See, there are so many different themes. But if you want to create new theme, you have to get premium for that. But I don't want to create a theme. So I am choosing a Menti dark. This is called, Mentimeter is called Menti in short version. So I already selected this. So maybe I want to select this. So this looks like this now. Now let's deselect theme. Now here is where you have to type your question. I typed, what is the sun? And here I wrote star. Here I wrote planets. And here maybe I put rock. So star, planets and rock. These are the three options that are available right now. You can also add two options as correct, but you cannot add none of the options are correct. Now you can also add more options if you want, and you have to click over here to mark the option as correct. You can also drag and drop a image over here or select an image. When you click on this, it looks something like this. Maybe I selected the space one. You also have to write a text for people who cannot see the picture. So I can write space. Entering. Now this is saved automatically. So now the picture is saved. I can remove also this picture. And I can also change the theme if I want. It's not already selected. You can people also have an option of pre-selecting it sometimes, but I'm not doing pre-selection. So I wanted this little boy over here, which is the terminal. Okay, we also have some example slides for you, but I'm going to teach you how to make one. So this is what is the multiple option slide. Let's see how to make this slide. So this type of question is very easy to make and it looks beautiful, and the theme is also kind of really good, so you can also choose this theme. It is the type answer. Let's add a new slide. Let's add a new slide, and now let's select type answers. So my question is that around which star does the earth revolve? So put this over here, put this over here. Perfect. And the correct answer to display here should be the sun. Let's copy and put it around here. So the correct answer to display will be Sun. There will be two correct answers. If you want to add more answers, maybe for some alternatives, I have added maybe if somebody will write it in capital and then small, maybe all small and all capital. You can also add a toggle case one, which is this, but I don't think anybody needs it. You can also add an image, and you can also add the seconds to answer. Mine has to be 20 because it is enough for a such easier question. Faster correct answers get more points, so I'm going to know. So this is a very easy slide. So let's get started with a new slide type. And you can also delete the leaderboard if you want to, but if maybe you want to do it for your students, then make sure to add a leaderboard because you would know that who is acting the best. Let's go to the scales. How would you rate these statements? This one is maybe how is learn together. Good, bad, or none of these. You can add more statements if you want. This can be the spider chart or sliders. And this is custom high label. This is custom low label. This is strongly disagree, strongly agree. So my can be disagree and agree because I don't think there is something to eat for this. So you can also change these two over here. This one is the custom low label and this one is the custom high label. This is the low value, this is the high value. Now we are finally done with the scales question. Isn't it too easy to make these? And it is so interactive after all. Let's get another one. Word cloud is a little bit boring if you are doing it with your students. You can go for ranking and Q&A. Maybe what should I buy? iPad, iPhone, car, or Mac. So these are some options. You can also add some other options like what should we have for where should we go for picnic? This is very essential for classes. And as you know, nowadays online classes are running. Then you can also go for this as what game should we play or in which software should we arrange our classes. There are also a maximum number of questions for Mentimeter free. So there will be There can be only 4 questions. One, 2, 3, 4. So there are only 4 questions that I can put in the normal or Mentimeter free. These are content slides. So right now I'm making for the quizzes one. So I don't think anybody should do. So let's just put this back. Select the slide. Now we are done with our quizzes. So I hope you like this, and if you want to present it, you just have to click present over here and it will start presenting, and then you have to give your audience the code written over here, and they have to go to www.menti.com to have your presentation and answer it. It is so simple and so easy to make a very interactive quiz well. So bye. I know I posted after a long time, but still it is engaging and very helpful. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye. See you later.